The impact of the digital revolution on sales organizations is not as simple as digital replacing salespeople. While digital is taking over tasks such as information sharing and order taking, salespeople are still needed in situations that involve complex solution sales. Sales organizations can thrive in the digital world by following these 4 approaches. First, leveraging digital as part of the sales offering. Second, embracing digital natives as buyers and sellers. Third, enabling multi-channel customer connections. Fourth, using analytics to power sales decisions and processes. Sales organizations that proactively address these challenges are more likely to navigate the tumultuous digital landscape successfully, thereby driving success for their customers and company.